Hi, greetings everyone. So today I wanted to do a short episode about portfolios or rather website. So if you have a business or you just need a portfolio website for yourself, here is my quick tips on how you can get one at a value of under 10 US dollars. That's like less than 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to use a favorite AI tool that you can choose. As for me, I'm going to choose Gemini. So I've already prompted it to give me a website that I'm going to post on GitHub. I'm going to host it on GitHub actually. And by the end of this video, you're going to see a live website of it. So I've already prompted it and it has already given me a code, an HTML code that we're going to use as the base for our website. So what you're going to do is copy the code that it gives you. Then go to GitHub, paste that code on GitHub. Then for this demonstration, since we need this the website to be live so that anybody can search it on the internet, you'll need to get what we can say that you need to get a domain name. So I'll recommend you get something from Namecheap. It's really cheap. So for me, I've already gotten my domain name. So it's just under my brand name, VintexLens.com. So after copying that code from Gemini, I've gone ahead and pasted it on my GitHub and linked my GitHub details with my Namecheap details, such that now you can just go and search on the internet VintexLens.com. And you're going to have a look at the website that the AI has just built me. Yeah, so here it is. Looks pretty good to me. So to get an idea of what I prompted it before, is just going to if you visit this website, you're going to have a look. So most of the things that I prompted it is something that I've been doing for the past 8 years when I started working remotely. So just check out the website. You're going to have a look, or rather more idea about what I've been doing. So I've also listed some of the websites that I work with and that I've worked with also, and you can have a look at their website. So to get in touch, now getting in touch will be easier, because when you just come and click contact us from our website, you definitely going to reach us via email. I think it's the most convenient way to get to each other. So just as I'm going through this, I just want to change it to desktop side so that we see it, how our friends who are on the computers will be viewing this website. So still looks pretty good. As you can see, we have the buttons up there. So it's a one-page website, and it looks good. So if you'd want something like this, you can just go ahead and create it for yourself. It's easy. It's easier. Not unless you might need some assistance, feel free to reach out. Then I might assist you. But in general, what you just need to know is that you can make a website at a cost of less than 10 US dollars currently. So thanks to AI, because for this video it's been less than 5 minutes, and the whole thing took me less than 15 minutes to just come up with. So we just need to come up with an idea, and AI definitely will help you. So thanks to AI, and thanks for watching.